Hey guys, it's Rare from RWorld12 and EpicDroid.com, and I am here today with the Smartish Wallet Slayer for the Samsung Galaxy S24. Now just a real quick disclaimer, this is not a real S24. Unfortunately, it wasn't in our budget to get a real S24 this time around. However, we were able to get our hands on this dummy device. Dummy devices are devices that are made by Samsung in order to provide to case companies, to accessory makers, and to other people so they can have a device that looks and feels like the S24. It just doesn't have the bells and whistles like a battery that lets the device turn on. But it'll work great for our video here today. The Wallet Slayer comes in a wide variety of colors. These are two of the different options we have. This is the Black Tie Affair and this is the Spaced Out. And if you don't like the prepackaged color options that Smartish has, you also have the option to upload your own image and to be able to pick your own design. The Wallet Slayer comes with a bunch of cool features and it's one of my favorite cases. So I'm going to show you guys how that case works here today. Put it on the S24, you're going to put it down like this with the front facing up. You're going to take your power and your volume buttons. You're going to slide those in first. Push it down around the corners. And then presto, you're good to go. The first thing you'll see is there's a raised lip that goes all the way around the front of the device. That is screen protector friendly. You can see there it's nice and deep and it goes right up to the edges, but it won't have any problems using it with the screen protector. You can set that face down. You don't have to worry about your screen getting scratched up. Also on the front here, you will see that there is a little bit of a notch there for your front facing speaker that allows you to use your front facing audio without having any loss in audio quality. Now flipping it around here to the bottom, you will see there are cutouts for the USB-C charging port as well as the speaker and the microphone. Flipping it up top here, you do have cutouts for your noise canceling mic. And speaking of cutouts, here on the back, you do have cutouts for your flash, your camera, and your other sensors. And that's a nice deep cutout there that's going to provide you a lot of extra protection when you're setting that down. You don't have to worry about your camera getting scratched up. Now one thing to point out here is you will see that that camera is completely protected. It does go right up to the edge of it, and it does have some additional protection there just to protect the back of your device. Another thing to point out here is on the sides of the case, you will see that it does have this textured grip that is a very grippy surface, and it holds very well in the hand. Now it's kind of hard to see here on the camera, but if you look closely, you can see that there are little wavy textures here to it. So that texture there, it's in the shape of your finger, so that when you're holding it here, it gives you a little bit of a better grip and allows you to hold the phone a little bit tighter without having to worry about dropping it. And the whole reason they call it the Wallet Slayer is because of this little wallet here on the back. So we got our little fake credit cards here from Xfinity trying to get me to sign up for their service. And you just slide those in. You can slide them in one at a time, or you can slide all three of them in. Just push them on in. And that little piece right there helps push them up so they're not going to be falling out. You can go and you can shake that, you can hit it around, and you can see there, they stay in without any problems. When you're ready to use the cards, you can just go and you can slide them out like that, grab the card you need, and presto, you're good to go. So all in all, it's a great case. I love the look of it, I love the feel of it, I love the fact that it's one of those cases that's so grippy that I don't have to worry about dropping it. But even more than that, I love the convenience of it. I have an option here to be able to leave my wallet at home, take my credit card, my driver's license, can fit some cash in there, can fit just about anything I want. And it just means that there's one less thing that I have to be packed around in my pockets. Now, there is one downside to this case. However, I super appreciate the fact that Smartish is up front with this, and that is that it doesn't support wireless charging. Because of the thickness of the case here, because you got this little wallet thing on the back, and probably because you have your cards in there as well, it's not going to be supporting wireless charging. However, looking at that USB-C charging port here on the bottom again, that is just the right size where you'll be able to fit any USB-C charger in there without any problems. So again, this is the Smartish Wallet Slayer. I love this case, I love the look of it, I love the feel of it, I love the convenience of it, and I love Smartish. They make great products that I use every day. The case goes for about $20 to $25 on Amazon. We'll have a link in the video description down below where you can order that for yourself. If you guys have any questions about the Wallet Slayer or about any of Smartish's other products, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below and we'll reply as soon as we are available. If you've enjoyed this video and if you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.